Yo, what's up everyone? It's Hustle Dimes, and listen, I know a lot of you are busy hustling during the day, working 9 to 5s. But what about that downtime in the evening? Why not turn those Netflix hours into some serious cash? Today, we're diving deep into the best night side hustles out there. Whether you're drowning in student loans, saving up for that dream vacation, or just want some extra spending money, these side hustles are your golden ticket. Let's get it. Okay, first up, we've got freelance writing. If you love crafting killer captions, this one's for you. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, and explainer videos. You can do this from your couch in your PJs. No commute, no dress code, just you and your laptop. Freelancing takes hustle and dedication. Be good at meeting deadlines and marketing yourself. The more you put yourself out there, the more clients you'll land. Next up, we've got online tutoring. Are you a math whiz, a history buff? Maybe you can explain physics without making people's heads explode. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly make it super easy to connect with students, and you can set your own hours and rates. You could be helping a high schooler ace their SATs, or guiding a college student through a tough calculus problem, all while chilling at home. If you're super organized and love the idea of being the behind-the-scenes hero, becoming a virtual assistant might be right up your alley. Entrepreneurs and businesses are busy, juggling a million things at once. That's where you come in. As a VA, you can handle anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to booking travel and handling social media. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find VA gigs, and once you build up a good reputation, you can start setting your own rates. This next one is for all my night owls out there. If you thrive in the evening hours and don't mind cruising around town, then rideshare driving might be perfect for you. Platforms like Uber and Lyft make it super easy to get started. You just download the app, sign up, and boom, you're in business. You're your own boss, you set your own hours, and you can potentially make some serious cash, especially on busy weekend nights. Just make sure you have a clean driving record and a car that's in good shape. If you'd rather stick to four wheels but aren't really a people person, food delivery might be a better fit. People order food through apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, you name it, and you bring the goods right to their doorstep. You can choose your own hours, work as much or as little as you want, and you get paid per delivery. Just make sure you have a reliable vehicle and a good sense of direction. Nobody wants cold pizza. Calling all animal lovers. If you're obsessed with dogs, crazy about cats, or just have a soft spot for furry friends, then pet sitting might be your dream side hustle. People love their pets, but sometimes life gets in the way. Vacations, work trips, even just long days at the office can make it tough to give their fur babies the attention they deserve. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it super easy to find pet sitting gigs in your area, and you can set your own rates and availability, plus you get paid to spend time with animals. Let's talk about a classic side hustle that's been around forever, but is still as relevant as ever: babysitting. If you're good with kids, responsible, and have a knack for entertaining little humans, then this one's for you. Parents are always looking for reliable sitters, especially in the evenings when they want to enjoy a night out, or just have some much-needed alone time. Word of mouth is still a powerful tool for finding babysitting gigs. But there are also websites and apps like Care.com and SitterCity that can connect you with families in your area. Just be prepared for the occasional meltdown, and make sure you have a fully charged phone in case of emergencies. House sitting is a fantastic way to make extra money without even leaving the house. Literally. People go on vacation, business trips, or have second homes that sit empty for periods of time. They need someone trustworthy to keep an eye on things. As a house sitter, you get paid to basically live in someone else's home while they're away. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and House Carers are great resources for finding house sitting opportunities. You can relax, watch TV, read a book, work on your own projects, all while earning money. If you have extra space, like a spare bedroom, guest house, or parking spot, turn it into cash. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to list your space for short-term rentals. People seek unique, affordable accommodations when they travel. Check local regulations and HOA rules before renting. Calling all creative souls. Love making things with your hands? Sell your handmade goods online for a fun and rewarding side hustle. Platforms like Etsy let you showcase your creations to millions. Set your prices, control inventory, and craft in your spare time. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and provide excellent customer service. You can actually get paid for your opinion. Companies are constantly conducting market research to understand consumer preferences, test new products, and improve their offerings. There are various ways to participate in market research, including online surveys, focus groups, and even product testing. Websites like Swagbucks and Vindale Research offer paid surveys, while companies like User Testing pay you to provide feedback on websites and apps. Let's talk about another effortless way to earn money in your spare time: online surveys. While taking surveys won't make you rich overnight, it's a super easy way to earn a little extra cash or gift cards while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or just relaxing at home. There are tons of legitimate survey websites and apps out there like Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a simple and flexible way to add a little extra padding to your wallet without any effort. If you're glued to your phone anyway, why not get paid to scroll? Social media management is booming. Businesses need savvy individuals to handle their online presence, create content, schedule posts, respond to comments, and analyze data. Work remotely on your own schedule. Stay updated on trends for top-notch results. If you have an eye for design and a knack for visual storytelling, freelance graphic design can be a lucrative and creatively fulfilling side hustle. Businesses are always in need of logos, marketing materials, website graphics, and more, and they're willing to pay good money for high-quality work. If you're proficient in design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, you can find freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs. You can set your own rates, choose projects that interest you, and build a portfolio of stunning designs that showcase your skills. There you have it, guys. 14 awesome night side hustles to boost your income. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. Choose something you enjoy and set realistic goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.